Alright, just making sure that I didn't forget anything. I guess I didn't. Smile with my trash. Oh dear. Hey everybody, Zoom360 here on the go. We are still on our road trip. Next stop is gonna be Metropolis, Illinois. I missed the Superman Festival because it's thanks to the guy that rear-ended me because I wanted to take Suki there this year. So I decided not to go. Brendan Roth from Superman Returns was there, but I'm gonna stop by en route and show you around Metropolis. I'm hoping to make Metropolis and Cedar Point an annual thing. As long as I am in the US and hopefully not too busy, we're gonna take a road trip from wherever we are in the States to make our way to these two places a year. This is a nice hotel. It's clean, very peaceful. Plus the wing I was in, I think it was me and a few people there, so it was quiet. That's all I can ask for, man. That's all I can ask for. All right, just like that, we got our bill, we got our new insurance card. Yeah. So now we are leaving the hotel. Got the new insurance card in case if I get pulled over, so that I have an actual insurance card to show, because mine expires in I think 3 days or so. So yeah, let's go. Wow, I really like what they've done here. This used to be so rough. Now it's smooth. Well, so much for driving spiritedly. And I just got on the highway and here we go. I love it. Holding traffic. Yeah, you way in the front there. I see you. Yeah, I see you. guys, we were there yesterday at the Arc. Yeah, I got it. And this thing is it's amazing. It's just freakish to me. Like men's ability to build something like that. Like there's a movie that you get to see like when you go there, just to watch the process of the construction. And it is really something. So dude, why are you gonna pass or not? I got one too. You know, for some reason, this happens to me a lot. Like, I didn't mean to stop here. I purposely did not want to stop here because I stop here so often every time I'm on a road trip. But for some reason, I end up stopping right here. I didn't even mean to. I always stop here every time I'm in this area. That's crazy. Oh well. I guess it is what it is. You know, these gas stops. Oh, look. Cool classic SS. Cool classic SS. I like it. Yeah. These gas stops are kind of lengthy, but I had to gas. I was almost out of gas, but we're doing good though. I think we're about like an hour and a half away from Metropolis. Oh dear God. Alright guys, we're about half an hour away, if that, from Metropolis, but this doesn't look too good. See, this is, might be raining in the horizon. I hope it's not I hope I don't show up there and it's like pouring down, because first, the front of the car has tape on it. I don't want it to come off, which, like, you know, part of it kind of, like, you know, came off because of the rain I got the day that I left from Colorado Springs, but we'll see. And the other thing is, I just don't want to do this in the rain, but if that's what happens, that's what happens. I thought it would be cool though to show you guys the Superman Museum, even though I've been in it before, I've documented it before, but I thought it would be cool. This part of the trip is just for the kid in me, just for it to be happy. I love that town. It's just, everything is so Superman. It's awesome. Alright guys, we're 12 miles away. There is no way that we're not gonna get hit with rain. I just don't see it happening. So if it does, then we'll deal with it. We're gonna be in the area for a day, so hopefully it's not a total washout, I hope, but we'll see. But I think we're about 12 miles away from the place, so we'll see. But we are definitely going to get hit because I think it's raining in the area. So yep, there's lightning and all that good stuff. So awesome. It is so windy right now. There's lots of riders on the road, and a lot of them have stopped under bridges getting ready for this storm. Lots of bikers today, but it's so windy that the car wants to go right. I have to fight the car to stay in the lane, but yep, we're already getting hit, so That's awesome. We're just gonna adjust. That's the kind of stuff that happens on a road trip. I purposely did not, look at the weather too much because I don't have to worry about snow where I'm going this time of the year. And yeah, so look like it's gonna be raining in Metropolis, so we won't be able to really do what we want to do, but we will stay there for the day, and hopefully tomorrow before I take off it won't be like that, so I can show you the Superman Museum. Yep, there it is. There it is. Alright guys, no kidding. To like less than 2 minutes after the last shot, we are completely, I guess, almost submerged. There's lightning going on. Quite a bit of people parked on the side of the street. If you look in the back there's a whole line of vehicles that just parked, and I guess they're gonna wait out. As you can see, across from me here, there's a line of traffic. People are moving slow. Yeah, so people are moving slow, as they should, because there is such a thing as hydroplaning, and I almost hydroplaned several times on the highway. Some of the times when I was in Germany, it's a very eerie feeling, man. It's like for me, like my heart just drops. Okay. Oh yes, the police. Oh gosh. Oh, I guess this is not working. I guess it's safe for me to turn. Now, there's a Super 8 there. I've always tried to stay here, but it's always, there's always no room during the festival. So it's booked out months in advance. There's the other hotel down there too. But that's the hotel that I usually stay in, and it's been bought out. Now it's Equality Inn. Prior to that, it used to be something else. But yeah, I think I'm gonna weigh it out at this gas station in front of the, well, if there's room. There's a Superman like portrait there. But I'm definitely gonna weigh it out right here. This is so weird. I mean, look how this looks, and yet it's raining cats and dogs. But anyway, I'm just gonna go to town and see how bad it is, because I might still be able to show you guys the museum. But if not, we could always do it today. So if you're seeing this, that means we're going through with the rest of the video. If not, then yeah, that means on to the next vlog. Forward with it. Here it is, guys, the Superman Museum, and the statue is right behind me. So let's check it out. This is so weird being here when the festival is not happening, because usually this area is locked out all the way down to all the way down there. But Hey everybody, this is Zoom360 on the go. Looks like we're getting ready to go do this anyhow because it stopped raining. So let me take you into the Superman Museum, which is directly right here. So I bring you the city of Metropolis, Illinois. Oh, it's closed. No, it's closed. It's already open, but it's all right. We'll come back tomorrow. No, see it isn't so. Oh wow, guys! I'm so late. I just found out that Marco Kidder died. She died apparently at the beginning of the year. I just found that out because there's a poster in there with the years that she lived. Oh man, it's crazy. Oh yeah, I got one more thing I have to ask her, but yeah, so tomorrow I'll take you guys in to the Superman Festival. So this is Zoom360 inviting you to get up, get out and do it. Like, subscribe and share, and I'm out.